You're underpaid and don't even know it. How to negotiate your salary and maximize your career earning power. Right now, at this very moment, there is a version of you earning 20, 30, maybe even 50,000 more per year. Same job title, same industry, same city. The only difference, they asked, and they know how to ask. If you have never negotiated your salary, or if you tried and walked away feeling like you left money on the table, this video is going to change that. Today, I'm going to give you the exact same framework I teach my private clients to walk into any salary conversation with confidence and walk out with more money. I'm Coach Lee Johnson, certified life coach, real estate investor, and serial entrepreneur. And this channel is where mid-career professionals come to stop shrinking and start winning. Let's go. Really quick, if you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe and ring the bell right now, because every week I'll drop content that is specifically designed to help you earn more, invest smarter, build the life you actually want. Now, let's have a conversation about money. The real cost of not negotiating. I want to start with a number that is going to bother you, and it should. Studies consistently show that professionals who don't negotiate their starting salary leave an average of $5,000 to $10,000 on the table per year. But here's what most people don't realize. That's not just money you're missing today. That loss compounds. Every raise, every bonus, every promotion for the rest of your career is calculated as a percentage of that lower number. We're talking about a lifetime gap that could reach $500,000 to $1 million or more over a 30-year career. Over millions of dollars gone because of one uncomfortable conversation that most people avoid. The most expensive thing you will ever do is stay silent about your career wealth. And it's not just about starting salary. How many of you have stayed in the same role for 2, 3, 4 years, performing at a high level, and your pay has barely moved? You've got a 2% cost of living increase while inflation ran at 4%. That means you're actually earning less in real dollars than you were before. Drop the name of your industry in the comments right now. I want to know who's watching, and I guarantee you, no matter what your field, this applies to you. Why smart people don't negotiate. So, if the math is this obvious, why don't more people negotiate? I hear the same 3 things from my clients over and over. Reason number 1, I don't want to seem greedy. Let me reframe this for you. Negotiation is not greedy, it is professionals. Companies expect you to negotiate. HR managers build a negotiation buffer into every offer. When you don't negotiate, they don't think, wow, what a team player. They think, great, we saved money. Reason number 2, I'm afraid they'll rescind the offer. In over 20 years of career experience and coaching, I have almost never seen a legitimate offer pulled because someone negotiated professionally and respectfully. That fear is almost always bigger in your head than in reality. Companies don't withdraw offers to qualified candidates over a salary conversation. Reason number 3, I don't know what I'm worth. This is a real one, and this is exactly what we're going to fix right now. Confidence in negotiation doesn't come from boldness, it comes from preparation. The VIP negotiation framework. Here is the framework I teach inside my VIP coaching programs. I call it the value method, 5 steps that take you from uncertain to unstoppable at the negotiation table. Let's start with V. Validate your market value. Before you say a single word to your employer, do your homework. Use tools like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary, Levels.fyi, and the Bureau of Labor Statistics to find out exactly what people in your role, in your city, with your experience are earning. Come to the table with data, not feelings. A. Articulate your accomplishments. Numbers are your best friend here. Don't say I work hard and I'm a great team member. Say over the past 18 months, I led a project that reduced costs by 15% and generated $200,000 in new revenue. Speak in the language of business, impact, and results. L. Lead with a number. Never wait for them to name the number first. Research shows that whoever anchors the negotiation first has a significant advantage. Name your number with confidence and make it the top of your research range, not the middle. You can always come down. You can rarely go up. U. Understand the full package. Salary is just one piece. Don't forget to negotiate remote work flexibility, vacation days, signing bonuses, professional development budgets, equity, and performance review timelines. Sometimes when the base salary won't move, everything else can, and that has real dollar value too. E. Expect a counter and stay calm. They will likely come back with a lower number. That is normal. This is the process. Smile, thank them, and say, I appreciate that. Based on my research and the value I bring to the role, I was hoping we could get closer to your number. Is there any flexibility there? Then be quiet. Let silence work for you. Silence after a counteroffer is not awkward. It's powerful. Let them fill the vacuum. Once you have maximized your income. Now, here's where it all gets really exciting, because maximizing your career isn't the finish line, it's actually the launching pad. Once you start earning what you're worth, the question becomes, what do you do with this money? This is where most professionals get stuck all over again. They earn more, they spend more, and they end up in the same place, however, with a nicer item. Inside my WealthWorks 10X program, we take your increased income and we put it to work in real estate and alternative investments, in strategies designed to generate cash. That flow doesn't require you to clock in. We build a plan to reach financial independence in 10 years or less. That is the full journey. Maximize your career, fuel your investments, and achieve FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Not just retirement as in sitting on a porch, retirement as a choice. The choice to work because you want to, not because you have to. Your career is your most powerful wealth building tool, but only when you use it intentionally. So, Here's your homework before next week's video. Number 1, look up your market salary this week. Glassdoor, LinkedIn, salary.com, or reach out to me and I'll point you out to the right resources for your industry. Number 2, write down 3 specific accomplishments from the last 12 months with measurable results. That's your negotiation ammunition. Number 3, if you're ready to stop guessing and start building a real strategy around your career and your wealth, I want to invite you to work with me. I take only 3 new coaching clients per month because I am fully invested in your transformation. The link to apply is in the description below. If this video gave you even one thing that you can use, I ask you to share it with a colleague, a friend, a sister, a mentor, because somebody in your life needs to hear this today. I'm Coach Lee. Go get what you're worth because you have always been worth more. I'll see you next week.